The weather here where we live in New Zealand in the Bay of Plenty is very changeable in springtime. As you'll see throughout this video, we can sometimes have almost 4 seasons in one day. Okay, with the fire lit, it's time for breakfast. Greek yogurt and a keto muesli is my go-to every single morning. Off for a haircut and a walk, and taking my book with me, just in case I have a few spare minutes while I'm waiting for my friend. Guessed right, those clouds burst and we got saturated. And by the time I got home, it was horizontal. But I soon warmed up, made myself some lunch, and then headed into town. So this is a river that we cross as we go into the city. And I thought I would do a bit of charity shopping. Nothing like hunting for a bargain, right? And this is what I got. This really cool check shirt, which I am going to use for gardening. A hat for my scarecrow, who desperately needs a new outfit for the season. This really cute coffee mug, I love the colour, and a little plate to go with it. Lovely black dress for $7. And it was time to sit down and read my book again for a little bit before heading out into the garden to do another job. Today I'm out in the garden planting seeds. The weather's warming up, it's a little bit humid, we've had a bit of rain, so it's perfect weather. So I am planting lettuces, zucchini, spring onions, mesclun salad mix, what else? Coriander, parsley, a whole pile of things in the garden. So looking forward to getting those in. So let's go and do that. A couple of years ago, I watched a whole lot of videos from a woman, I can't remember her name, but her channel is Gardenery, and it's gardenery.com. I'll put a link in the description. But her gardening is about putting flowers and herbs and vegetables all in together and basically overplanting. So I've got lots of gaps here where I can put more seeds, and more in this garden. Lots of gaps in this one. I do have some more plants to get seedlings as well. So yeah, lots of gaps in these two gardens that need to be filled. So the carrot seeds are the tiniest things, So I've got them in my little shaker because even with what I've got in here, it's looking like I could very well have 5 million carrots. Anyway, let's put them in. It's just about to rain. I know, I should wear gloves, but I just like getting my hands in the soil. And a good blast with the hose when I'm finished, and my nails are all clean. Time to clean up my hands without squirting myself in the face like I just did, or wetting my camera. Perfect. The timing of the rain is perfect. The seeds are in, so let nature do its thing. I've noticed too that my sage is actually flowering for the first time. I've never had it flower. I remember going to a friend's place a couple of years ago and hers was beautiful in flower. So really looking forward to that for the first time. So I'm just having a cup of tea and I'm contemplating my next job in the garden, which is to clean out a whole lot of weeds from under the tree, which is in the middle of the lawn on the left-hand side of the driveway. So let's go and do that. So my neighbour has just given me these beautiful white irises that I'll plant. I've got some purple ones and some yellow ones. Looking forward to putting those in. So that was a successful day in the garden. Very pleased to get those things off my list that have been on it for a very long time. So time to go and get dinner. Another favourite, baked potato with some lemon juice, some butter, avocado, salad and cottage cheese.